Go get your.
Open it.
Hold on. Yeah.
Hey.
Hey, $20 from. Redeem $20 from Jason's balance. Redeem before 2021, lol.
Hello,
Hey,
lol.
I need this.
$20. Bella, you have these gifts.
Oh, what's that for?
This is for
Hey,
you. This is for me.
I'm gonna guess.
Oh, I
this.
ripped it.
Oh,
Okay,
rip
go.
it.
That's the best.
It's a sweater.
Oh.
It's a bag. Oh,
It's
it's
a
a
bag.
bag. Is it a, oh, that's so. Oh, it's a story.
What is that?
That's
Oh.
pretty good. Okay,
Oh.
I'm going to save that for last.
Oh.
Ah.
Okay, so.
Oh,
This on this
Jason, I
paper.
wonder what you wrapped in here.
Oh.
Hey, Jason, I found something for you.
Okay. Oh, this is here's the backpack.
I can't find.
Okay, time to open this. Okay, Bella.
I found all your
This
gifts.
is yours.
Well, not all of them, but here's
Oh,
a
this is
heavy,
heavy.
one.
Okay. Oh, there's
Bella,
a
here.
lot.
Oh, looky. What do we have here?
Don't open that one.
Oh, this is heavy.
That's not there.
Okay.
No.
What?
We
That's
put
the
them
one
under
that
the
has
tree.
the game.
Oh, Bella.
Look for
Me and
you.
you.
Huh? Oh, did
Sure, I think we should open this first.
Put on. Must.
Ready?
Yes.
Ready?
I'll take one side. You take the other.
Ready? Set, go.
Wow, that one.
Both of us.
Both of us.
Wait. I remember there were seals in here.
Bella, what's this?
Is that what
Bella,
you want?
what is this?
Ah.
Some mud probing.
Oh, that's what you
Mud
want.
building.
Bird.
Underwater.
Meadows.
Wait, we can read this later.
Show it to me.
It's heavy.
Look at
A
me.
lot of oceanology in here.
Bella.
Secrets.
Okay.
Okay, here you go.
Hmm?
To you and to
Hey.
me.
Yes. Okay.
There we go.
Show
I'll
Dual
open this
gifts.
next.
Show it to
What could it be?
Dual gifts. Similar.
Yeah.
Ready? Ready?
Hold on. Preserve the ribbon.
Preserve the ribbon. Save it for next year.
We
Ready? One.
or no, I just
Eight.
until the
Oh,
battery
we have
dies.
two.
Show it
This is nice.
Oh gosh. Oh gosh.
Show it there.
Oh, whoopsie.
It's like this gonna be nice.
Oh, I'm going to love
Okay.
this. It's all
Show
fun
it,
and
show
games
it.
till the
Both of
battery dies or you lose it.
Block builder, battle command, race car, table tennis. We just two of them.
Ooh, I'm gonna open this. Preserve the ribbons.
Preserve.
I want to protest about ribbons. We have to preserve them.
Okay, let's
Ready?
go.
Stop ripping the ribbons.
Ready?
Yeah.
Go.
Oh no!
I'm always balanced.
Nice.
Okay, I'm
Take
a little
picture.
jealous right now.
It's really heavy.
Oh my
bucks.
gosh, the plastic
Look at
ripped.
me.
The plastic ripped. Easy to do
Oh,
crochet.
Bella.
Crochet.
Show it to
Oh
me.
my
Bella.
god.
It's so heavy.
I can crochet I can crochet a flower.
I'm gonna open this one. It says my name.
It's got their
This is
own
from your dad.
crochet hooks and string.
Oh, here.
What?
Oh, it's because
this
I'm on
is
the
it.
other side.
Wow, that's a lot.
Oh, oh gosh, this is a little heavy. Not too heavy.
From Dad. Yay!
Hey, who is this from?
Ready?
That's a lot. Okay.
Oh, there's a box in here. Ready? What is this?
Why do I feel like this
It's
was
a
from
box.
our
I feel
Vision
like this.
video?
I know, right?
It looks.
What is in
the
here?
box looks very similar.
There's something in here.
Dad. Dad, did you?
Ah!
What did you?
Coding for Python.
Oh no.
Yes, it's the books. Yes, draw anime and how to
Wow.
draw
Okay.
people.
All right.
Wait,
Show it to me.
smells weird. Wait.
What's
Oh,
Show
draw
it to me, Bella.
this
people.
gonna be?
Bella.
I can draw people. in
How far
anime.
is this going?
Yeah, I'm gonna need to learn that.
It's gonna be
That's nice.
Okay, you got two presents, Bella, here.
Ooh, two. Oh my gosh, they both have the
Show
same
it.
wrapping.
I'm
a
gonna
little
get
nervous.
this one.
Oh,
Yeah.
both from Lulu
Bella.
and Lola.
I'm gonna open it. Ready?
Okay.
Oh
Oh,
my
wow.
Wow, you got everything. you
Is this a
want.
chunk? Oh yes, I've been wanting one of these.
I got it.
I never asked for it though.
Show it.
Nice. Human body.
Oh, it's the human body.
I like these type of books. They're like they open each.
It's like a stack. They all stack.
They all stack up together. You can see the actual parts itself.
It's like in a story. I'm
See
gonna
what
love
everything I
this.
learned. This is a heavy book.
Many people might not.
What is this?
Gonna
Fitness
get.
What? I want to borrow this. I'm gonna borrow.
Many kids would question the ribbons. This one's
You
very
need
good.
this,
Yes.
Bella.
Yup, I need. It's not a want.
It's-
I need. So
history
Dad will
It's
stop.
the history book.
Oh, yes! Is it? Wait,
It's
is
a-
that what I
it
think it is?
exists.
Let me see.
Is that what I think it is?
It's the.
I I'm
history.
looking for that in Costco.
What's outside?
They're sold out.
Oh,
How
yes.
many people want to learn
Yes,
about history?
ancient Mayan.
But my question
It's
is,
so heavy.
Jason.
Yes.
Remember the one that flips up?
Million
Wait.
evolution.
I need to see the full title before I
What year is
actually
this?
question this.
Oh, this is World War II. Never mind.
Luckily,
Oh!
Cecilia had some pictures.
A telescope.
Yep.
Yo, we're gonna be looking at stars.
I'm a little sad we didn't have a telescope during the winter solstice though.
Oh,
Great.
from Mom. Yeah, what's in
Yay.
here? I'm gonna save this.
What do I do if I accidentally rip a
Bella.
present? I don't know what I'm gonna do if I accidentally rip.
You're not missing.
What is
Show it to
this?
me.
Yeah.
Oh,
What
are
do you
you?
do that?
Oh,
Oh my gosh, we
okay.
even got ourselves
Oh.
a tripod. And adjusted
Bella.
angle knob. What'd
Yeah,
you
so
get?
funny.
Whoa! Laser
Oh,
tag!
laser tag.
These are the
As
best
soon as I saw the laser,
ever.
I knew what it was.
I would have questioned this if I was like 8 or something.
Oh, well, we're gonna actually end up
7.
tipping the tree down.
Oh wait, we're gonna end up.
Tipping the tree down.
May I ask why this has crevices as if those other warriors? It
This
is
is
not
nice.
a warrior series or what?
Laser
is
tag.
that?
We're gonna be shooting Bella the entire time.
Nancy.
Nancy Drew. Oh, Bella, you know that.
1, 2, 3, 4,
You got
Okay.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 books.
Me.
What'd you get? It was pretty heavy, and I thought it was gonna be something that I did not expect.
What is that?
Oh.
A desktop micro.
Oh, a desktop mic.
Yeah, that's short.
From Lolo.
I will open this. Not
Yeah.
yet.
I feel it.
Oh.
That's for Lola.
Bella. Pink.
Oh, that's
it's like,
nice.
It's like, you know, the
Ouch.
table. How do I
This is
call
like
it?
a freaking jigsaw game.
I don't know how to call it. It's this. That's the
Hey
dad.
Jason, the perfect wrapping, perfect box. Don't know what the
Okay,
freak it is.
open it.
Open it, Bella. What is
Okay,
it?
Open it,
I'm
it's
going
gonna
to
be
carefully
surprise.
open it. I said carefully.
Open it. Open it.
Dang it, I said
Make it-
carefully.
More rapping.
More wrapping. Yes! Why is he so fat? He's so chubby.
Oh, I mean, if he did put, she did
I
put it in a
can't
box.
handle this face. Yes! My
No,
dream has
no.
come true. I have a fat seal plushie. Why did I want this for Christmas?
Bella, you're gonna love it.
What is going on in my mind? I just saw these on a video and was like, I need this.
Bella and Jason
TV. Wee.